In 2012, neuroscientist Maiken Nedergaard at the University of Rochester discovered your brain physically washes itself, but only while you sleep, and only inside a narrow nightly window. The glymphatic system pumps cerebrospinal fluid through brain tissue at high pressure, flushing out beta amyloid, the same toxic protein that clumps into the plaques found in Alzheimer's disease. Here's the part nobody mentions. This system runs up to 10 times harder during deep slow-wave sleep than when you're awake, because the brain's cells literally shrink to widen the channels and let fluid rush through. A single night of broken sleep spikes amyloid in the hippocampus by roughly 5% in otherwise healthy adults. We post 3 of these every day. Subscribe to get them all. Doctors can slow the buildup with drugs, but they can't switch the flush on by command. It stays locked to your sleep architecture, which is the real reason no pill yet replaces a genuine night of deep rest. Comment below, did you know your brain only cleans itself while you sleep?